Ash on the beat.
So hi friends, today let's go to my garden in which there is a lotus here. So today I'll share some few tricks and tips on how to grow these. So first we'll see our tank. This tank is 3 feet width and 7 feet length, 2.5 feet depth. So first we need to build this tank. Okay friends, so once the tank is built, we should fill about 1 feet of red sand which is mixed with soil and 1 kg of cow dung. So once the seeds are planted, we should only put 1 feet of water which is not up to the brim, not the full. So after the seeds and the plant is grown, we can put the full water, that is 2.5 feet up to the brim till here. So now I'm going to share 3 main tips for natural growth of lotus. That is, there should be sunlight and there should not be any shade. It should be an open space, and according to the Vastu, it should be in the southwest corner of your house. So every day on evening or morning you will see the water level decreases because it evaporates because of the sunlight. So or evening or morning you can pour some water, freshen up the buds and leaves. So now we'll talk about the manure required for this. So once in 3 months we will put some cow dung inside a jute bag, and the jute bag should not be so thick. It should have pores in it that the lotus could consume it. In 3 days the lotus will consume the manure and you will have the best results. So there are few maintenance we have to do for the flower. Like I said in the beginning, that we have to pour water up to the rim, and we have to remove old and dried up leaves like this. And one thing we have to ensure when we remove these leaves is we have to cut it from the bottom of the water level, and we have to remove it just like this. So if you are facing some trouble from flies and insects, you can use Classic 20 or Balanced Tin. It should be a light spray, you should not put a lot. So the lifespan of a lotus is for 3 days. Every day it blooms in sunrise and it shrinks in sunset. So the 3rd day in sunset, its lifespan gets over. So always it blooms in the direction of sunlight. So hope you all found this video useful. So please make an attempt of planting a lotus garden. After all, it is an auspicious site for the house. Thanks for watching.